English Prepositions Quiz. There will be 25 prepositions in total. For each preposition 10 seconds are given. Let's get started. You should drink water, meals. Don't blame me, you're missing homework. People will travel, space by 2050. They sailed, the edge of the world. The clock is, the wall. Can you meet me, 5 o'clock? The cat is hiding, the table. He studies math, the evening. The player ran, the ball quickly. I found a nice jacket, sale. Stay, the house. The school is, the park. Take your shoes, off. Jump, the platform. She ran, the room. Play, the garden. The plane flew, the mountains. Walk, the bank. I've known him, 2010. Drive, the tunnel. Dash the report, sales have increased. Dash the delay, the event was successful. She solved the problem, dash careful analysis. Dash the meeting, it's been rescheduled. Dash his dedication, he was promoted quickly. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comment section.